Hey everybody, welcome to a segment that I absolutely love doing, and it's I Call Bullshit. We're going to be talking about a stock that had some very funny business going on just this week alone. So let's get right to it and unveil the ticker symbol.
I want you to get mad.
I call bullshit. Bullshit!
This is Houston. Say again, please.
Everything that guy just said is bullshit.
I call bullshit. So Sunday night, futures gap up higher, and Monday morning, we see the Dow futures up over 1,000 points with news that Pfizer has a coronavirus possible vaccine candidate. And the CEO of Pfizer, ticker symbol PFE, that's ticker symbol PFE, was making media rounds all morning from every news outlet out there. He said this discovery is one of the biggest medical discoveries of the century. And Pfizer was up about 14% pre-market, making new highs on the year. The stock was on a tear, and the overall stock market was booming. Well, little to find out a couple days later that Pfizer, the CEO, the same gentleman who was making media rounds saying this is such a fantastic discovery, you know what he was doing Monday morning? He was selling 60% of his stock. Yes, I said it. He sold 60% of his stock, and get this, 5 cents from the high. So he basically Pfizer top ticked it on Monday morning when the stock was trading just shy of $42. And guess what? The stock is under $38 today, here a few days later. So pretty incredible that their CEO actually goes on TV and sells stock while saying how good this discovery is that Pfizer had. Very shady, very raising an eyebrow here, very fishy. If it was such a fantastic discovery, why wouldn't he keep his shares? Was he really that money hungry? And later we find out it was part of a stock sell plan. So it was planned, these sells. Well, guess what? In mid-August, Pfizer had their phase 3 for their coronavirus vaccine. And that's when he actually started to make his sell stock plan. So this tells me that back in mid-August, he knew that vaccine was coming. He not only waited for Pfizer to rally 14+%, but he waited post-election too to unveil this fantastic discovery. Gang, this is I call bullshit, and I'll call it again and again. You gotta laugh at this. You literally see this massive red candle from Monday when we had the vaccine news. And what happened? Their CEO sold 5 cents from this high right here. And if you look at Pfizer right now, we're basically down $4 from that high. As the insider sold 60% of his shares, their CEO, and it's red day. To be honest, we'll probably fill the gap back down about $36.50 before the vaccine news, because just like Moderna, who their executives have been selling stock into every pop, Pfizer looks to be no different, and that's why I call bullshit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell button so you never miss a notification, and I hope to see you on the next video.